If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update. Alright, so Solana, I've been talking about this resistance line in the past 2-3 days, and right now I'm making you aware once again that this is a line where the biggest drop and the biggest dumps always took place. Okay, so the first touch was right over here and the biggest dump happened. The second touch was right over there and you had the biggest dump happening. Now you have the third touch right over there, and third could be the charm, and you can actually end up from here finally coming down to $4.5. Because number one, there are two things I want to tell you. Not only do you have that resistance line over there, but you also have an overbought level on the Solana department ever since September 2021. Okay, the last time you were really overbought this way was back in September 2021, and that's pretty crazy. That's a very big gap. How many days are this? How many moon are we talking about? How much of a distance and a gap is this? We are almost talking about 1.5 years of a gap. That's the place where you'd really need to pay attention for Solana. Maybe it's a shorting time from this point onwards. There is no any other pattern to continue higher. By the way, I mean, there's no like inverse head and shoulder or a bull flag. There was a continuation pattern right here. You broke it out, you went up. Another continuation pattern here, you broke it out, you went up. Maybe if you make another one and you break out of it, then we're going to talk about a move higher. But unfortunately, you don't have another pattern to go higher. This to me personally could be the best another shorting opportunity from here. I don't actually short market, I don't trade futures, but this is my, let's just say a good word is take profits here and run away. That's pretty much it, okay? Unless, final words, is to be proven wrong, and the only way to be proven wrong, it can happen, is you keep an eye to break $25 and go to $28 and backtest the line, the trend line that you broke out of, and then boom, you continue higher, and we could be even looking higher targets to $84. So that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.